Opening day of deer season is revered as a holiday amongst hunters and is arguably the most celebrated tradition in hunting. No matter how old you are or how many deer seasons that you have lived through, each passing hunting season is as exciting as the first. Climbing into an old deer stand has a way of settling your soul while rekindling memories from hunts past. And having missed out on the excitement of the archery whitetail rut, I'm anxious to climb into my stand for the final days of the chase. These are the days that hunting traditions are built upon, and memories created here turn into stories that are fondly told throughout our lifetime. I was fortunate enough to tag out really early archery season in Missouri this year. The pro to that is I got my buck early. The con to that is that I missed bow season during the rut here in Missouri. So I'm now back for my rifle hunt, and it is crazy. I'm out here right now without a jacket on. It's super warm. So I'm not sure how the rut activity is going to be, but what I can tell you is that this is one of my favorite places to hunt. I love coming here and really look forward to this hunt every year.
I love mornings like this when you're in a stand and you hear the turkeys in their roosting tree and you can tell the exact moment they hit the ground. It's like the perfect sounds of fall, and it makes this deer hunting something that you close your eyes at night sometimes and wish you were back in the stand hearing those things and feeling the sun on your back as it comes up. It's a pretty special time. Just a young deer. There was 2 bucks chasing that doe. The one deer is going to be a good buck in a couple of years. Just a little bit too young, but that's the 3rd. We've seen 3 bucks now in the last 5 minutes, so that's a good sign. That came and went really fast. Unfortunately, it's like feast or famine out here. You either have deer running everywhere or you have like hours and hours of monotony, and it's always over too soon. But we'll be back out tomorrow for another try.
I don't believe that I'm alone in thinking that hunting is a numbers game. The more time spent in the field with the right conditions and the more bucks that I encounter, the closer I get to being successful in harvesting a mature deer. And with the bucks cruising and chasing with an absolute frenzy, I find myself sitting on the edge of my seat in anticipation.
It's so exciting when you can hit your gun call a couple of times and have a buck like that come in, really give you a good look at them. They're really down to fight right now, and they're chasing for does, and they're working hard. These bucks are in an absolute frenzy tonight. It is so exciting to be in the stand with my rifle, waiting on a giant.
The rut has a way of bringing out bucks that you have never seen before, not even on trail cameras. And sometimes all we get is one look or one possible moment that it could have come together, but it doesn't. And it's a heart-wrenching feeling, and certainly one that you never forget.
Back in the stand, running out of time, or I should say time is running short. It always goes by so fast. Last night we had a buck run across this opening really fast, but where I was sitting with the rifle, I couldn't get on him. There was a branch in the one place that my vision was obscured, the deer was, and turns out, after looking at the video, that he's a really nice buck. Don't know if we'll ever see him again, but it makes me a little bit like on pins and needles this morning hunting, because now that we've seen a good one, it just makes you even more excited and anxious as a hunter.
Winterland, tell me all your secrets. Fill me in on your wildest moments. Colored trees, your yellow leaves move me. Dancing roofs, your painted red shakes the room. When I get there, I'll let my feet roam. When I get there, I'll break in your arms, I'll lose control. When I get there, I'll know the answer. Let me know when I get closer. Winterland, you're my sailing ship. Guide me in when you head for your trip. Right out of this wicked black and into bright sand. Straight towards the warm sun and into his hands. When I get there, I'll let my feet
Here comes a doe. There's a buck behind her.
He's gonna go down. He's gonna go down. He's done.
I just got done rattling and grunting, and these deer, this doe came out of this bottom, and they came up the field here, and just trying to decide if I wanted to take this buck. He's a good buck, and it's my last morning here in Missouri. I am so thankful to get a deer. Great morning.
Climbing out of the tree stand, having successfully harvested a mature deer, is met with the perfect ending in sharing in the excitement with friends. From the highs to the lows and everything in between. This is what hunting is all about.
All right, finally got it done.
Congratulations. Happy for you.
Yeah, it's been crazy hot.
It's nice, Kristy.
Yeah, he's a nice buck. It's a nice big 9. Yeah.
See, it's mature because you can see this dark skull cap. You get that at about 4.
Thank you for watching this episode of Pursue the Wild. If you would like to hear more, check out the Wild and Uncut podcast, available wherever you get your podcasts. And be sure to follow me at Kristy Titus on Facebook and Instagram.